Hey man, Jordan brand still is heating up. We got some heat on the way. We're gonna be talking about the next couple of shock drops that we could potentially be seeing, the rumors and all that good stuff. Let's get into it in today's video, man. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video. It's always greatly appreciated when you guys pull up to the videos. Come see what your boy the Vin just talking about. Usually 9 times out of 10, you know what I'm saying? 9 times out of 10, it's to help you guys out, be in the best position to cop some of these sneakers for retail, because who likes paying resale? I'll wait. If you guys are new to the channel right now, what I need you to do, man, go ahead and subscribe to the channel right now. Hit the notification bell for your boys so you don't miss out on any content that we drop on the channel. And please give a huge like on today's video, man. The goal for every single video is 400 likes. I know we can do it. You guys already know, man, we right around the corner from that 80,000 subscribers. And as soon as we hit that 80K, you already know about the giveaway for the Air Jordan 11 Gratitudes. Enter yourself into winning a free pair by following the rules down below and the description box, man. All right, guys, so you just seen the shock drop over the Air Jordan 8 playoffs. They also did an exclusive access for the Air Jordan 8 playoffs, which, you know, we talked about a little bit before it happened. I told you guys, stay tuned for that shock drop. And then next thing you know, a couple of days later, we got a shock drop over these clean Air Jordan 8 playoffs set to release September the 30th. And I just feel like right now, everybody's already over the playoff 8. I know it kind of sounds weird, but everybody's waiting on 2 sneakers, bro. They're waiting on the Air Jordan 1 Satin Breads and the Air Jordan 12 Cherries, bro. And if I had to rank the two sneakers, I would definitely put the Cherries higher on the pedestal of, you know, OG collectors out there that want sneakers, bro. They want these OGs. They want them Cherries. They ain't dropped in so long. That's why I feel like it's gonna be a lot of people on the hunt. A lot of people trying to put themselves in the best situation to cop a pair of these Air Jordan 12 Cherries. And the Air Jordan 12 Cherries, like I said, we are hearing it's going to shock drop on the Nike sneakers app, bro. You guys know you love it, bro. Y'all know y'all love hearing about shock drops. You know you love hearing about exclusive access and stuff like that. And I'm hearing that they're gonna be doing exclusive access and a shock drop for the upcoming Air Jordan 12 Cherries. I think they're set to release on October the 28th. So I had to check the date real quick. October 28th, retailing for $210. And right now those rumors is just like, stay tuned for the date of the drop. And I do feel like it's gonna happen about a week after, like the week after the Air Jordan 8 playoffs drop, which is this upcoming weekend, you know what I'm saying, after the Canelo fight, after the playoff drop. We're gonna be getting information. You're gonna see a lot of people on YouTube, of course, you know, trying to help you guys out hit on this shock drop that's going to be happening for the Air Jordan 12 Cherry. And recently we have been seeing it, man. You guys seen it with the playoffs. You guys seen it with the the red cement 4s. You seen it with plenty of sneakers this year, about 3 to 4 weeks before the actual sneaker drops. Nike is helping us out, giving us a chance to cop the sneaker, and it's just smart for Nike to do. I know you're probably tired of hearing about, you know, shock drops and stuff like that, but it's actually Nike that's smart with marketing. You know what I'm saying? They drop it early, get a bunch of the pairs off before the official release. Then they turn around and do another exclusive access for everybody as well. And after we seen with the playoff 8s, they shock dropped, and there was a lot of people that got that exclusive access over these joints. And I'm thinking the same thing is going to be happening for the Air Jordan 12 Cherries. I don't think them joints are going to be limited at all, but like I said, it's going to be a lot of OGs out there, a lot of people that's been collecting for a while that want another pair of these shares. It's gonna come crispy, it's gonna come clean and pristine, and I'm just hoping that, you know what I'm saying, they are true to what they dropped back in 2000, was it 2012 or 2011? I can't remember the year, but I know it was a long time ago when I was in high school when the Cherry 12s did drop, and it's just time for your boy DaVinci to finally get that pair. Of course, you guys know, when we get closer to that date, I'm gonna help you guys out, let you know the time, let you know the date, let you know when and where for these Cherry 12s. And you know what I'm saying, hopefully everybody is able to get a dub, which, you know, everybody can't get a dub on the shock drop, but, you know, closer to the release date, you should definitely be able to get a pair of the Air Jordan 12 Cherries, man. And I know I keep showing the Air Jordan 8 playoffs, but this is a sneaker that a lot of people said is going to sell out, that's going to, you know what I'm saying, do some numbers, and I highly doubt that just because it's a full family size run. It's a crazy GR. It's one of those OG colorways that Nike's trying to push onto, as you can say, the newer sneaker community. So I don't see these things being limited at all. I see them being plentiful. I think it's gonna be plenty of pairs for everybody. And if you want to double up, if you want to triple up, I feel like you're gonna have that dope opportunity to do that because it's gonna be a lot of Air Jordan 8 playoffs. And the same thing is gonna be happening for the Air Jordan 12 Cherries, man. So I know we talked about the Air Jordan 12 Cherries. I know we just talked about the Air Jordan 8 playoffs. But now a sneaker that a lot of people have been talking about, have been, highly anticipating is the Air Jordan 1 Satin Bread. And now the Satin Breads are set to release October the 18th, bro. October 18th, which is about, a couple of weeks before the Cherries. And like I said, it's a strong possibility for Nike to be doing a shock drop or an exclusive access for that sneaker as well. It would be super rare if they did not do that for the Satin Breads, given the fact that we just got the patent Air Jordan 1 breads. A couple of years before that, we got the bread Air Jordan 1. It's just a lot of breads getting cycled through, and the satin breads will be coming back out on the 18th of next month, which was only a couple of weeks away. So if they do anything, I definitely feel like it will be more of an exclusive access type of drop rather than a shock drop. It's because we haven't even got to these Air Jordan 8 playoffs, man. But of course, when we get closer to the date, when I get more information, I'm saying, I'm in a lot of different Discords, a lot of people's Twitter, see what people are talking about, just to spread the positivity, spread the information that I am hearing to you guys. That's what we're here for. I ain't trying to harbor no information, trying to help everybody out. And sometimes I be trying to just help myself out as well, just to see what's going on in the sneaker community, see what's hot, see what's not, and all that good stuff. So yeah, man, if you will be going after the Air Jordan 1 Satin Breads or the Air Jordan 12 Cherries, I need to see everybody's comments, everybody's thoughts and opinions down below in the comment section. Am I the only one going crazy over the 12s? I'm a little borderline going crazy for the satin breads, but I don't think I can because I do have the patent. You guys probably see them down, right behind me in the drop front. So I don't think I can get too excited for them because it's gonna be like my third pair of bread type of sneaker, if that makes sense to y'all. So like I said, drop some comments down below and let me know what you're gonna be going after this month in October. It's a lot of stuff dropping. Like I said, the Cherry 12s, satin breads. That's just to name just 2 sneakers that Jordan brand is dropping for us in October, man. I can't wait. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit the notification bell for your boys so you miss out on any content. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And if you did, man, go ahead and please give a huge like on today's video. You guys know that would be greatly, greatly appreciated. Put us in the algorithm, and that shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content and keep your boy The Vintage motivated. You feel me? So again, I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys for tapping in. And with all this being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.